Hello. We are in the 11th lesson of Artcam 2011 training set. I will tell you about the Crite circle comp. Comptaticliorum. The window opens again. We're going to draw a circle in this. Semberin merkis noctasin originu olin usiklagini. Here is the point where I clicked on us. Ixt v yega de olin usiklagini bias vermect. Istersek bunu el mano alata gerebularis. When we enter this section while it is active, we calculate the radius of the circle. Yani redoes. This part is active on its own. Yani semberin capini germamis yetterly. I call the radius a sign. Yazyari kapinda bur sember kabuk. I want to draw a circle. Tiklamis aljagam noktei merkis kabul edip. He drew a circle with a radius of 1/2. Click on another point again. Surata. I entered the comp. Baska bur noktei tikladim. I said diameter. He drew a circle with a diameter of 150. He leaves the comp again. See you next lesson. Goodbye.